In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch themes safely in Shopify without losing important content. If you're ready to give your online store a fresh new look, but you're worried about keeping all your hard work in place, stick around as we walk through this process step by step. First things first, the most crucial step in this whole process is to ensure you have a backup of your existing theme. This will give you peace of mind, knowing that you can always revert to it if needed. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Online Store, then Themes. Locate your current theme and click on Actions, followed by Duplicate. This duplicate acts as a safety net, so keep it in your theme library until you're confident everything's switched over smoothly. Next up, if you've done any custom coding or edits to your theme files, you'll want to save those. These modifications could include changes in Liquid, CSS, or JavaScript files. Make sure you copy these snippets into a document and clearly note where each edit was made, including the file name and exact location. Trust me, this will make it much easier to reapply your unique customizations to your new theme. Before we dive into the new theme, gather all your essential branding elements. This includes logo files, font choices, and color hex codes. Having these at hand will make reapplying your brand's look much faster and easier when customizing your brand new theme. Once that's ready, let's bring in the new theme. You can add your chosen theme to your theme library from the Shopify theme store or by uploading it. But hold on before you make it live. We're going to customize everything in preview mode. In the preview, start adjusting settings like colors, fonts, and section layouts according to your brand. This gives you a chance to tweak and tinker with the design without affecting what customers currently see. Now that you've customized it, it's time to thoroughly test everything. Preview your new theme on different types of pages: product pages, collection pages, and both mobile and desktop versions. Don't overlook the navigation, header, footer, how images are displayed, and the overall layout of pages. Double-check that all the links work correctly and that everything looks just as you'd expect. When you're absolutely satisfied with how your new theme looks and functions, it's time for the grand reveal. Go back to Actions and hit Publish on your new theme. Remember, your old theme is still safe in your theme library, and all your content remains intact since it's stored separately from the theme itself. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can refresh your Shopify store's appearance without losing any valuable content. Confidence in changing themes comes from knowing your setup is secure, and by taking these steps, you're ensuring a seamless transition. Happy theme switching, and I'll see you in the next video.